Africa Content TV.
Àjíǹde máa jẹ́ ìpín ẹ̀yìn ọmọ lé ọmọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ abẹ́bẹ́ gbérin Ògùn ọmọ Ìbàdàn sẹ́gbẹ̀rin abẹ́gbẹ̀rin ẹ máa pé kọ́lọ́ mọ́jà súra wa.
Please, may we be seated? Thank you very much for the honor. Thank you. Permit me. Read a very long list of dignitaries who have come to grace this occasion because protocol demands that every individual here this afternoon must be properly recognized and put them in context, appreciating and recognizing His Excellency the former governor of Oyo State, His Imperial Majesty, and the chairman, Council of Obas in Oyo State, Oba Senator Rashid Ailewa, pẹ̀lú aṣọ tí ẹ wọ̀ ní ọ̀sán yìí. Ẹ bá ní rí màmá wa Oníkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Àkàndé for proper tutelage. Former two-time Minister, Chief Dr. Mrs. Oníkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Àkàndé, OON-CON. Mama, thank you very much for gracing this occasion. May God bless you. The Secretary to State Government of Oyo State, Professor Musbau Adetunji Babatunde, you are recognized, and the Head of Service of Oyo State, Chief Mrs. Olubadan Oni MNI, the Deputy Chief of Staff, Honorable Adeyinka Kazim, Honorable Commissioner for Local Government and Chief Agency Matters, Honorable Ademola Ojo, as a matter of fact, is our chief host this afternoon. Thank you for putting up this ceremony, very solemn one, very orderly. Thank you very much. We also have the Honorable Commissioner for Health, Dr. Olubadan and Honorable Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Dr. Wasiu Olafubosun. We have Commissioner for Women Affairs, Honorable Toyi Balogun, Honorable Commissioner for Works, Honorable Majid Olawale Mogojubola, Honorable Commissioner for Establishment and Training is also here, and other numerous honorable commissioners that are here this afternoon. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kí àwọn olówó àbẹ̀yẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kí bàbá wa bàbá tó lé ní Àkànbí Eba Olúyọ̀lé, who is a member of State Advisory Council, has been here since morning. Baba, thank you very much. And Angus Chairman, Honorable Sikiru Soda, mo rí pé gbogbo àwọn ẹlẹgbẹ́ wọn tó jẹ́ alága ní ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn náà wà ń bí. Thank you for gracing this occasion. Chairman and Director General of boards and parastatals and other political functionaries that are here to grace today's occasion. We also have our service commanders. We appreciate them for keeping the peace in Oyo State. especially for this occasion, which is going on very smoothly, and it's our hope that as we begin in solemnity, in serenity, we will conclude this program peacefully. Nítorí pé àṣà ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn àti ṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá náà la wá ṣe lónìí. Ẹ yẹ kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti kí àwọn orí adé wa, ẹsẹ̀ ìlẹ̀kẹ̀, ọrùn ìlẹ̀kẹ̀. Kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ nígbà tí mo ti kí Olubadan tó wá ṣojú wọn. The Olubadan in council is totally represented here this afternoon. And I'd like to start by recognizing His Royal Majesty Ọba Kọ́lá Adébọ́lá, His Royal Majesty Ọba Abíọ́dún Kọ́ládé Àìsí, His Royal Majesty Ọba Adébáyọ̀ Àkàndé, His Royal Majesty Ọba Ìsíòyè Dàda, His Royal Majesty Ọba Samuel Adébọ́lá Elérúwà of Èrúwà land, His Royal Majesty Ọba Francis Alao Olúbọ̀ of Orílẹ̀-Ègbọ́n, His Royal Majesty Ọba Sefiu Ọláwálé Oyèkọ́lá Asẹ́yìn of Ìsẹ́yìn land, His Royal Majesty Ọba Dr. Khalid Oyeniyi Ọlábísí Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ of Ṣakí land, His Royal Majesty Onílàlà Làlátẹ̀ Ọba Sunday Olúṣẹ́gun Bọ́láwáyé Ọládẹ̀jọ, His Royal Majesty Ọba Sunday Oyèdìran Yòǹpẹ̀tù of Ìjẹ̀rù land, His Royal Majesty Oni Ìlọ́ra of Ìlọ́ra, His Royal Majesty Ọba Masud Awẹ̀dẹ Lawal Iba of Kishi, represented by Akurajan of Kishi land, His Royal Majesty Ọba Alhaji Ganiyu Ajiboye Busari Alága of Agọ́ọ̀já, His Royal Majesty Ọba Jimoh Lamidi Ọláńdù Ṣàmọ̀fọ̀yọ́, His Royal Majesty Ọba David Adémọ́lá Oyèdìran Alágbó of Ọ̀yọ́, His Royal Majesty Ọba Isiaka Tọ́lá Ọ̀nàsùnkọ̀ of Ọ̀yọ́, His Royal Majesty Ọba Pákáyọ̀dé Moses Alówólé Onílẹ̀kẹ̀ of Ẹ̀mílẹ̀kẹ̀, His Royal Majesty Ọba Abel Olúfẹ́mi Oyèkàn Elépé of Ìṣẹ̀kẹ̀, His Royal Majesty Ọba Sunday Oyètúndé Adépọ̀jù Ayílọ́lá III Gbadéwọ̀lú I Onírò of Òtù, and all other paramount. Bákan náà, Olóyè Àgbà Chief Akínyadé Fìjàbí, adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o. The President General Central Council of Ibadan Indigenes, Chief Barrister Adeniyi Ajéwọlé Bàbá 70, adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o. Bákan náà, Bàbá lọ́jà àti Ọ̀yọ́ State Alhaji YK Abbas, adúpẹ́ o. Let me personally recognize my friend and a true son of Ibadan land, Chief Niyi Akitola, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. Thank you for gracing this occasion. As a matter of fact, he put a call across to me this morning, and he's one of those who encourage us in this administration. Thank you very much for standing by this administration always. The permanent secretaries that are here, now let me specifically and especially recognize the newly to be installed Obas this afternoon, particularly Oba Akim Mogbalaji Adewoyin Ekeri Balogun of Ibadan land is to be installed this afternoon, and I'm going to pronounce the installation very anon. The second one is Oba Oyekola Babalola, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, to be installed as Olubadan of Ibadan land, and Oba Sarafaddin Abiodun Ali, and to be installed and elevated to Olubadan of Ibadan land. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, all friends and family members of the newly to be installed Obas, prominent religious leaders here present, labor union leaders, leaders of various professional bodies here present, leaders of markets, traders, artisans, and other groups that are here this afternoon, sons and daughters of Ibadan land, both at home and in the diaspora. Let me congratulate all of you on this very vocal event. Distinguished invited guests, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. Now, on behalf of His Excellency the Governor of Oyo State, who is this afternoon unavoidably absent, but has delegated his onerous duty of presenting staff of forces to the elevated chiefs in Ibadan land. Let me, at the beginning of my address, make it abundantly clear, because of the chieftaincy declaration of Ibadan land and other enabling laws in that behalf, that the ceremony of today, whether the elevated Royal Majesties are here or not, the function as required by law is being performed, and the conferment is sacrosanct, because the lineage is structured and we cannot jump it, government cannot jump it, royalty cannot jump it. It's totally structured, and we are following due process in what we are doing this afternoon. Therefore, at this moment in our life, particularly for people of Ibadan, history, culture, and governance converge to produce enduring legacy. And today is one such moment which must be understood by all of us. We are not merely gathered here to witness a ceremonial rite. We are here to affirm a system that has for generations provided structure, order, and identity to Ibadan land. The elevation of these high chiefs and their subsequent conferment with beaded crowns speak to a tradition that evolves without losing its essence. Today marks a defining moment in the evolution of the Ibadan traditional institution, and indeed in the cultural history of your state. It is therefore a privilege to join you in witnessing the conferment of beaded crowns on distinguished high chiefs who have by merit and tradition ascended to this revered status. This ceremony goes beyond formality. It represents a deliberate affirmation of our commitment as a government to uphold the rule of law while preserving the dignity and relevance of our tradition. The approval of this conferment is firmly anchored in the chief law of your state and guided by established custom of Ibadan land. In line with the provision of Section 20, Subsection 1 and 4 of the Chief Law of Oyo State, Cap 28, Volume 1, Laws of Oyo State of Nigeria 2000, and by virtue of all other powers enabling that behalf, vests the executive governor of Oyo State with the authority to confer beaded crowns on elevated high chiefs in Ibadan land. Hence, this ceremony is being duly conducted. This step has also become necessary to avoid creating a vacuum or distorting the well-structured arrangement of Ibadan traditional system. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the traditional institution remains a vital pillar of our society, thereby providing continuity, stability, and sense of identity for our people. And in recognition of this, our administration will continue to strengthen its collaboration with the traditional rulers as key partners in promoting peace, security, and sustainable development across the length and breadth of Oyo State. To the newly crowned Obas, this honor is both symbolic and demanding. It places upon you a higher obligation to lead with wisdom, demonstrate integrity, and serve as custodians of unity within your respective domains. Your conduct in office will not only define your reign, but will also shape the confidence reposed in you in the traditional system of Ibadan land as a whole. Ibadan land has over the years distinguished itself through a structured, progressive system that commands respect far beyond its boundaries. Let me pause one moment and speak to this very well-established structure of chieftaincy in Ibadan. It is sacrosanct that it is by elevation and promotion, it is by rotation and promotion, and any disturbance on the system will affect the line from top to down. And this administration will frown at anything that will disturb the structure as laid down by the culture and tradition of the Ibadan land. Therefore, today's event further consolidates the legacy and it reinforces its place within our collective heritage. This administration remains resolute in our pursuit of a state where tradition and modern governance works hand in hand to deliver meaningful progress to all and sundry. On this significant occasion, I congratulate the newly crowned monarchs and wish them peaceful reign with stability and enduring impact. On this very occasion, on behalf of His Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, FNXC, I hereby pronounce as crowned Oba Akim Mobolaji Adewoyin as Ekeri Balogun Olubadan. I hereby also pronounce Oba Oyekola Babalola, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, as Ekaru Olubadan of Ibadan land. And I hereby pronounce Oba Sarafatin Abiodun Adi as Ekaru Balogun of Ibadan land.
Congratulations, congratulations.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, for those newly crowned Kábíyèsí, Kádépẹ́ lórí, kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. Thank you all and God bless you. God bless Ibadan land. God bless Oyo State. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you, God bless.